Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that actually the president of the United States keep changing his mind. Yesterday in the morning, he said that the stimulus checks negotiation are off the table and it will just continue after the election, and the people will get stimulus checks if they vote for him. And then in the afternoon, yesterday, he tweeted again that now he is ready to sign the stimulus check things. So there's some kind of confusion going on. Let's check this out. The second news is also a kind of bearish news because the FCA in the UK bans crypto derivatives for retail customers. And this will come alive in next year, 2021. And this is definitely a bearish news. And the third news is going to be that 75 crypto exchanges have closed down in 2020, and what are the causes. So all this in today's video. And if you would like to just stay up to date in blockchain, in cryptocurrency, the only thing really you have to do, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I put videos on YouTube every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day, you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and the blockchain news. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Plus, you can educate yourself with us. We have courses. If you go on our website, you can see down here, we have our totally free course, which is how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Here you can see it on the left side. And here on the right side, we have a brand new course. It was launched last week. And, now we give it to you with a very great discount price, because the normal price of the course is $296. But now, until the 7th, so today is the last day, till midnight, you can buy it for this bargain price for $189. And this is basically all you need to know, really, to get the full picture about Bitcoin and blockchain. And here we have two videos. The first two videos, it has a 30 lecture. There are 30 lectures in this course. So basically 30 videos. The first two are here for free. So this is basically the introduction and what you will learn in the course. You can check it out in details. For both, the links are down here under this YouTube video. For the free course, totally free. Just learn. And if you're really interested, you get a full picture about Bitcoin and blockchain, then here is this great course. Okay, let's check out the market. So right now we have a bearish day, no question. Bitcoin is at $10,617. This is a minus 1.32% decrease. Look, Ethereum went down also $341, which is a 3.51% decrease. When we're looking at the top gainers, then we can see on the top PumaPay, before yesterday, sorry, it pumped like crazy, over 100%. Yesterday, it dropped like crazy, and now it's slightly coming back, 6%. EOS we have plus 5%, Ethereum Classic plus 2%, but not a lot of gainers, almost nothing. Mainly today and the last 24 hours is about losers. And, here we have Aaron minus 16%, Aave minus 15%, Ocean Protocol minus 15%. These are the top three in the losers. But look, when you just keep looking, you can see actually double digits for a long time, and then also big drops. And it's a bearish day. And why is it so bearish? Let's get into the news. And the main reason for that is when we check out this here. And the thing is that, here are the main ones. That Donald Trump is tweeting, using Twitter, and he's keep changing his mind in a day. And basically what happened here is earlier yesterday, Trump said he told the representative to stop negotiation until after the election, all about the stimulus checks, right? So this is the main thing. Stimulus checks are off the table, and said that if he wins, so he predicts he wins, we will pass a major stimulus bill that focus on the hard-working Americans and small businesses. But this will be after the election, after he wins. He makes this promise, okay? And then later, yesterday, Trump called the Congress to immediately approve a $25 billion in airline payroll support and $135 billion in funding for the Paycheck Protection Program through unused funds in the CARE Act, before adding that he would sign the standalone 1,200 stimulus check bill, and tagging House Speaker, it says like, "Hey Nancy, can you hear me?" It was in his Twitter message. So, and this keeps really the market in a huge uncertainty, what we have right now, because first, he says no stimulus checks. We can get used to it, but if it's this uncertainty, that's the worst thing. And now actually, stock market went down, gold went down, Bitcoin went down, altcoins went down a lot. So you can see that. And now in the afternoon, later he says, "Okay, now I would like to sign it." And many people now worried that what's going on here. So definitely, as I also reading on other forums, but I also said that it's probably a volatile October what we're going to have, because with this uncertainty, that's the main reason. Maybe it will go up a little bit, couple of days, and go down. Now we have this bearish scenario, and actually altcoins getting down now in the last 3 weeks significantly. But Bitcoin actually is quite holding itself very well above 10,000, and recently above 10,500, and this is actually a very, very important thing. So this is the main reason why the whole market, stock market, gold, crypto market, it's bearish now. A second bearish news, which is I think also very important, is that the FCA bans crypto derivatives for retail retail consumers in the UK. And here it says it's too risky, and it's important that it's the derivatives and the exchange traded notes, ETNs. Okay, so both are in this category. And this will go live. The UK ban will come into effect on the 6th of January next year, 2021. And the reasons are here, what they put down, why they do so, because they say inherent nature of the underlying assets, which means they have no reliable basis for valuation. Okay, so the base, it's shaky for the real value. And prevalence of market abuse and financial crime in the secondary market, for example, cyber theft. So they're worrying about that. Extreme volatility in crypto asset price movements. So we do know that crypto is volatile. We can see now these big drops and everything. They think that's very dangerous as well. And inadequate understanding of crypto assets by retail consumers. That means that people do not have the right education, and therefore probably they're going to make mistakes and all these things. So the lack of education, basically. And then here, lack of legitimate investment need for retail consumers to invest in these products. That's actually an interesting one because, it's hard to understand probably why they decided for you. If you want to invest in this, then invest. If not, it's your decision, your money. So this is definitely, we're having a bearish day for sure. So I don't have to emphasize it. You just look at the market and you can see everything is in red. It's these kind of bad news what we're having right now, the uncertainty. This is definitely not positive. Of course, it doesn't mean that they block crypto or something in the UK, nothing like that. but definitely they come up with these new regulations, and this goes to the retail consumers and in the UK, and also it goes to this derivatives, so crypto derivatives and exchange traded notes, which are the ETN, so just that category. So keep that in mind. Third news today, it's also in a way bearish, but not necessarily. Just the fact that 75 crypto exchanges have closed down so far in 2020. And here they said at least 75 crypto exchanges have closed down due hack, scam, or simply disappeared for unknown reason so far this year. So of course we have seen hacks, and the fact is that if there are the big ones, you know, big centralized exchanges, they can kind of survive, but the small ones, they're really facing problems if they see if there is a hack. You know, there is this case with BitMax basically, and they have to provide the right documents now, and they don't have this kind of KYC for a long time, but they will push to have it, but they just simply didn't act on it, and that's why now I'm in trouble. So when this case appeared that actually they're suffering now, then just between the 30th September and the 3rd of October, 500 million worth of Bitcoin was withdrawn from BitMax, okay? We do know about this QCon hack on the Singapore-based company QCon exchange, you know, and they suffered a 200 million hack in late September, so actually a couple of days ago, if you remember. So these hacks happening, but these guys, at least they surviving so far. We'll see how it goes with BitMax, you know. But the problem with the small ones, if something happens to them, then in many cases they just disappear. And we do know that there are several reasons. They can be simply just scams. Here, actually, it's another interesting thing that crypto exchanges are not the only entities disappearing. According to the user-generated content site datcoins.com, there are almost 2,000 altcoins and tokens. They no longer exist. And if you can go here on this website, so this is the datcoins, and you can have here the full list, which are the coins and how and when they disappeared. And the reason it was a parody, oh, sorry, I'm in this category right now. I just want a full list. Okay, so in the full list, you can see that it's a scam, discased, scam, discased, and several of this parody. So you can actually check out how they, the reason for disappear, and you can see, of course, a lot of scams. And of course, you shouldn't forget that DeFi and the decentralized exchanges growing, it's really making the centralized exchanges' life more difficult. Because now, as you can see, how much money it's locked into DeFi, it's over $11 billion right now. And we can see how, for instance, in September, Uniswap had a higher trading volume, first time ever, than Coinbase, which is a major centralized exchange. We can see that the decentralized exchanges putting pressure on centralized exchanges, so also making their lives difficult. So we'll see how it will go in the future. Definitely, DAX is bringing new things into the game, and therefore maybe smaller centralized exchanges can suffer, and this could be also a reason, not just scam and other things, why they disappear. Just hard to them to survive this. Guys, that's it for today. If you like the content, smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. And, you know, if you would like to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I deliver these videos every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day, you're getting a brand new video. Hit the notification bell and then press all, so you really get the videos as soon as they're out. because then you will be really up to date. You know, it's important in this area, in this industry. It's really important to not getting information a week later or a couple of days later. Maybe you have to act fast, and we do this for you here in Blockchain Bloom. We provide you always the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain information every weekday. And don't forget to download our free course, Educate Yourself for Free, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And if you want to really get the full picture, really all the things you need to know about the Bitcoin and the blockchain, so then we have a great package for you, a course with 30 lectures, and it is on a huge, massive discount on this week. Until midnight, we have it for 30% discount, and then the end of the week, the discount, it's a smaller one, but it's still on, but then it goes back to the normal price, so take an advantage on it now. Okay, thanks a lot, and I wish you a great day. I'm coming back tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.